Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you calculate the surface area of a triangular prism. There are two methods that you can use to calculate the surface area of a triangular prism. I'm going to do two videos. In this video I'm going to show you how you calculate it by knowing the concept of a surface area. So here, let me start by explaining what is a triangular prism. When you see this word prism, it is a three-dimensional shape that is made of rectangles. So you can have a triangular prism, a regular prism, a square base prism. Once you see this word prism, it means the sides are made of rectangles. Now, when I say it's made of rectangles, when you see this one, it's a triangular prism. When you look at the base is a triangle and the other base is the triangle. These two triangles are equal. But when you look at the other sides, this is a rectangle, another rectangle, and the rectangle here. That's why it's called a prism. When it's a pyramid, it's made of only triangles, then it's a pyramid. But when it's a prism like this, it's made of rectangles, 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 and then on the base is a triangle, and on the other base is a triangle. That's why it's called a triangular prism. So in this video, I said I'm going to show you how to calculate the surface area. When you are asked to calculate the surface area, you are asked to calculate the outside part of a three-dimensional shape. When you're asked to calculate the volume, you are calculating how much space does it take. So, but the surface area is where you can paint. So with a triangular prism, you have two triangles and three rectangles. So when they say calculate the total surface area, we must calculate the area for that, the area for that, the area for that, and add the two areas for the rectangles. So I'm going to use formulas to show you that. All right, when you look at the shape that I'm having here, you have a triangle here, ABC, and have another triangle here, EGF. These two triangles are equal. So you need to calculate the area of the triangle and then add the area of the three rectangles. So total surface area, I'm going to say surface area is equals to, then you need to know the formulas of the area. For a rectangle is half times base times height, plus this is a rectangle, this one is a rectangle here. So the area of a rectangle is length times breadth, plus length times breadth, plus length times breadth, because you have three rectangles. So their areas is length times breadth plus. Sometimes in different shapes, they are sometimes not the same. So that's why you have to do all three separate of them. Now with here, there's two of these. You remember there was a triangle there and a triangle there. So you needed two here. 2 half base times height. So do you see in this formula, the half will cancel the 2. So my formula will be base times height plus length times breadth plus length times breadth plus length times breadth. Now with my two triangles, my height is the perpendicular line, is that one, and my base is the bottom one. You see? So I have my this two. I have the base is 48 and the height is 20. But when you look at this rectangle here, I don't have the side. This side I don't have. I have this one, it's 72, but I don't have this one. Now look at this. Do you see you have a triangle there? This is a triangle, and the triangle is has a 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle. So I can use Pythagoras to find the side AC. Let's do that. Right? Pythagoras says the hypotenuse squared. The hypotenuse is the line that is opposite the right angle. Here's my right angle. So the line that is opposite the right angle is AC. So it's AC squared equals to the other two sides squared. So my side is AB squared and BC squared. AD squared plus DC squared. It's half of the whole line. Then you have to write the reason. You have to write Pythagoras to get a mark for that. Then let's put values. AC squared is what we are looking for. We don't know it. Is equals to AD squared is this line. They gave us it's 20 squared plus DC squared. Do you see? DC is half of BC. So half of 48, it's 24. Always put brackets around in case you have a negative like that. So AC squared is equals to 20 squared is 20 times 20 is 400 plus 24 squared, 24 times 24 is 576, and then 400 plus 576, it's 976. Then you square both sides because we're looking for AC. It will be AC is equals to, right, because we want AC not AC squared, we're going to square both sides, and then the square root of 976 is 31,24. So we actually calculated the side AC, and go to your diagram and put the value 31,24, right? And then now if you take this information and put it here, you'll get the surface area of the, because you'll get the area for that one, the area for that one, and the area for the bottom one, and then add them and get the area of the sides. But there's an easier formula that you can use instead of this one. So I'm going to show you that one. In an exam, you use that. This is the understanding of the concept of the surface area, but you can use a formula to get it the correct answer. I'll show you that formula. Right, this formula says surface area of a triangular prism is equals to breadth times height of the triangle is the same as this one. And then instead of having length and breadth, all of them 1, 1, you have A plus B plus C. What does this stand for? On your triangle, the sides of the triangle, there are the A and the B and the C. So you use one of the triangle, and then the sides is A, one of the sides is A, the other one is B, and the other one is C. And then when you see, and then the A, the B, and the C will be multiplied with a capital letter H. How do they differ? This small letter H is the height of a triangle. This capital letter H is the height of the whole shape. So let me show you. This is my triangular prism. So the height of this triangle here, the height here, that's the small letter H. And then the height of the whole shape, that's the capital letter H. So this is what we use. We have all this information. So we can put the information and then get the answer. Okay, the base of a triangle, here's the triangle. The base is 48, and then multiplied by the height of the triangle is 20 plus, and then the sides of the triangle. This side, that's your A. It doesn't matter the order that you choose. So it will be 48 plus this side, 31.24 plus this side is equal to that one. Because if you can use Pythagoras, you'll have the same amount here and the same amount here. So the height this side will be the same as that one. So it's 31.24, close bracket. The big height is the height of the whole shape. So this is the big height, it's 72. And we multiply it. And then you take your calculator, punch all this information, and then get your answer. Let me do that now. Right, the total surface area after punching everything in, and remember here you need to multiply. Use your natural display and put everything in, put the brackets in, and then multiply by 72. It's 8,914,56. So your answer is centimeter squared. When you're calculating area and surface area, your units are squared. So your answer is 8,914,56 centimeters squared. You write the units that you were given in the question. If you are given different units, before you start calculating, you need to have everything in the same unit. Okay, at the beginning of the video, I said I'm gonna do another video where I show you another method. This is the method that you can use. This is the formula here. It is longer and it's not necessary. So when I was doing the video, I decided not to do the other video. So this is the formula that you use. It's longer and it's not necessary. If you get this right, this one is shorter and easier, and you have higher chances of getting it correct. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching.